Yep. Okay, hello everyone. This is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is what we're doing here. We're installing a cabinet top, a countertop on our hardwood cabinetry. And so what they do is they handcraft. Everything is done by hand here. So hey, ask us some questions about our cabinetry and our countertop choices. This is actually a Brazilian countertop that she's installing the countertop. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678 and get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.